You know, I just love the idea of country music being paired up with football. That's great, especially Canadian football, and it's super exciting for a guy like me because I'm from St. Catharines, Ontario, very close to Hamilton, and Ticats would be my home team. Although I love the folks from Calgary. Calgary's been very good to me, but I got to go with the Ticats on this one. Yeah, you know, it's really cool looking around town and seeing all the different uniforms and just getting a sense that, you know, that the CFL is very much like the country community in Canada. All the camps love to get together and just sort of hang out and celebrate what it is they love, which in this case would be Canadian football. It's very exciting. Canadian football, beer, and country music. Makes sense. Well, you know, it's myself, a fellow named Tebe, and one more girl on the bill, and it's just good time music. So you don't necessarily have to be a country fan to enjoy yourself tonight. You know, and hopefully there's a song or two that you might have heard before. So it's a show worth checking out for sure. Just, you know, be able to come to Vancouver, which is one of my favorite cities in the country, and do my thing associated with the CFL and the Grey Cup. It's a pretty cool experience.